Hey, everybody, it's Carmina. I am so excited to welcome you to the beautiful month of August. And inside the Zumba Fit Club, August is very special. I don't know about you, I don't know where the year went, but trust me, I've got some awesome goodness waiting for you this month. So here's what's going to happen. August is the theme is all about aligning your path, right? I know that you've got personal goals, and my job is to help you sweep away any roadblocks that are standing in your way. So, are you ready for some cool stuff? So, first, let me introduce the August Wellness Guide. It's the Lunchbox Rescue. I promise you are going to love it. So, how about we start by shaking up your lunchtime routine? I know that lunchtime is an issue for a lot of people. So, my team has put together 5 super simple recipes for you. They are a breeze to make, and they will make lunchtime the best part of your day. No more wondering, what should I eat for lunch? Yeah, but there's more. This might, I really want to encourage you to keep your eyes peeled on your inbox because, like I said, this month we're focused on making a healthy lifestyle easier for you by eliminating things that are blocking you from your goals. So, I'm going to have some motivation, some mindset shift in the emails this month to help you keep going. So you want to make sure that you don't miss any of them. And also, don't forget to take advantage of our private Facebook group. This is a Facebook group specifically for the ZumbaFit Chicks. And in there, I regularly post some recipes, inspirational stuff, and some really cool health and fitness facts, right? And we are a small community, a close-knit community, and I know that you're going to feel right at home. And of course, there wouldn't be a Zumba Fit Club without Zumba, right? So this month, I'm going to challenge you to join me for a shakedown once, twice, and why not? 3 times a week. I promise it will be the most fun workout you've ever had. So if you are already a Zumba Fit Chick, awesome. You know the new content is gonna drop in August 1st. And if you're not yet a Zumba Fit Chick, no worries. It's super easy to join us for just $10, which by the way is less than the cost of your Netflix subscription. You'll be set for an entire month of wellness and fitness. So, are you ready to join me on this amazing journey? Come on, let's laugh, let's dance, and let's work together towards a healthier, happier you. I can't wait to get this party started with you and see you on the inside. Bye for now.